You must have seen this kind of viral reels on Instagram. This is called 3D parallel video effect. Today I will show you how can you create this video effect for free. So let's start. First, we need an image. For that, I am going to use a AI called Shakar AI. First, I will go to its website. Then in the prompt box, I will write the kind of image I want to create. Then I will select the resolution of the image and then I will click on generate. Then I will download the image that I like. You can use your own portrait photo if you want. I will go to generative fill of Adobe Firefly. Then I will upload the image. First of all, I will expand this image. I will click on expand button. Then I will expand the canvas. Then I will click on generate button. Then I will click on select background. Then I will click on invert selection. Then from the left side menu I will select remove and then I will click on generate. Then it will give me 3 sample image. I will keep one from here from the image and there will be just the background image. Then I will download this image. To make the video look realistic, I need some elements. So first of all, I will download a PNG image of a rock. Then I will download a sky image from Google. Then I will go to YouTube and search flying bird green screen video. Then I will download a video from here. Now I will go to Adobe Background Remover website. Then I will upload the image I have created at first. This will automatically remove the background from the image. Then I will download this PNG image. Then I will open CapCut and then create a new project. Then I will import all the elements in my CapCut software. You can also use any other video editing software. I am using CapCut here because it is relatively easy and accessible. Then first of all, I will bring the background image to the timeline. Then I will click on ratio and then keep the ratio to 9:16 because it's a real video. Then I will put the subject to our timeline above the background image. Then I will put the rock image in top of that. Then I will place the rock in one corner of the image. Now I have to color match the rock with the background. For that, I will select the rock and go to adjustment menu. Then I will increase the temperature a little bit. Then I will go to curves menu and then decrease the highlight a little bit. Then I will put the sky image in the timeline. Then I will scale up the image and then put this sky layer in the bottom. Then I will select the background layer and then I will go to remove BG menu. Then I will select custom removal. Then I will select the brush tool and then from canvas I will mark the area that I want to keep. Then I will click on apply. This will automatically replace the sky. But if you don't have a CapCut Pro subscription, then simply use any other free photo editing software. There, remove the sky part and then import that PNG image to CapCut. Now I have to color match the sky image. For that, I will select the sky layer and then I will go to adjustment. Then I will increase the temperature and decrease the saturation. Then I will go to curves and then I will decrease the highlight a little bit. Now you can see we have matched the sky with the rest of the image and now it's looking much more realistic. Now I will put the bird's green screen video in the timeline below our subject. Then from the video menu I will select remove background and then I will select chroma key. Then from the color picker I will select the green color. Then I will adjust intensity and shadow until our green color is completely erased. Then I will adjust its position in the canvas. Then I will go to blend mode and then decrease its opacity a little bit because the birds are so far away from our subject. If we decrease the opacity, it will look much more realistic. Now as we placed all the elements, now we have to add animation to each element. To give it a professional look, it's very important to know where to use what kind of animation. You have to do that very carefully. First, I will select our subject from the timeline. Then I will think about a scenario where my camera is coming closer to my subject. When the camera will come closer to my subject's size will be increased. So I will put a keyframe in the scale. Then I will go to the end of my video. Then I will increase the scale a little bit. Now I will select my background layer and then I will put a keyframe in the scale and then I will again go to the end of my video. Here I will increase the size, but here the scale value will be less than the subject because my subject is closer to the camera and my background is far away from the camera compared to my subject. So I have keep the scale value 130 for my subject and here for the background I will keep the scale value 120. Now I will select the rock layer from the timeline, but here if you pay attention you will see the rock is front of my subject. So if I bring the camera closer, size will not increase, rather the rock will be out of the frame. So here I will not add any scale animation, rather I will put a keyframe in position. Then I will go to the end of my video and then I will put the rock out of the frame. Then I will select my green screen layer. Then I will put a keyframe in position because the birds are very far away from the camera, and if the camera zoom in, the birds will not increase their size. And then now I will go to the end of the video and then I will put the birds a little forward. I will just change the position a little bit here because the birds are so far away from the camera. In this short amount of time, the birds can't cross that much of distance. At last I will put a keyframe in the sky. Here also I will put a keyframe in the position, and make sure to not put the keyframe in scale because the sky will not increase its size as you move the camera forward to the subject. So now I will put a keyframe in the position and then I will go to the end of my video and then I will change its position a little bit. Now our video is ready. When you will create this type of videos, you have to keep in mind some things. When you have a subject and you bringing the camera closer to the subject, the things that are closer to camera will increase its size the most, and the things that are far away from the camera, those things will also increase their size. The closer it is to the camera, the more size it will increase, and the far away it is from the camera, the less size it will increase. At the end, from the top right corner, I will click on export and then export the video. Hope you like this video. If you do, then please give a thumbs up to this video, and thanks for watching this video.